Hello, good morning students. Today we'll learn about the identities which are used in numericals in the chapter for class 9th, that is polynomials. Okay, so let us begin with the chapter, that is now we'll have polynomials. Okay, now in this the most important part is the identities. If we know the identities, then we easily able to solve the numericals. So first, today's step is first we will try to practice to learn the identities, then we will solve the numericals based on them. Now see what is given in this first identity. I have x plus y whole square, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy. Okay, the next identity, these are called the identities. Okay, these are the identities. So I will write here, that is identities. Okay, so we'll discuss today the most important identities which will help to solve in numericals. So first one is x plus y whole square, that is x square plus y square plus 2xy. The second one will take, that is x square plus y square minus 2xy. Okay. Now the third identity is, that is x square minus y square, that is x plus y and x minus y. Okay, so this is the third identity. Now we'll move to the fourth identity. Now the fourth identity is, that is x plus a, x plus b. Okay, we have now x plus a and x plus b. What to write is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay, so these are the four identities we have. Now we'll move to the next identity, that is fifth identity. Now okay, now we'll move to the fifth identity. Now we learned four identities. Now we'll move to the fifth identity, that is a plus b whole cube. Now it will be a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Similarly, if I goes for a minus b whole cube, it will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab a minus b. Okay, now the next identity is, we'll discuss a plus b plus c whole square. It will be a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, so these are the identities which we will apply in numericals. Let us move to further. Now we have next identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. We have a plus b plus c, then a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Okay, so these are the 8 identities we have. Okay, so now apart from these identities, we'll move to the, I will tell you now 3 or 4 more new identities. Okay, like now we have a plus b plus c whole cube. So it will be a cube plus b cube plus c cube. Okay. Then after that we'll write plus 3 into a plus b plus c and a plus c. Okay. So these are the 9 identities I have. Now we'll move to the next identity, that is 10th identity I have, that is a cube plus b cube. Next I have a cube minus b cube. Now see that how it works. A cube, okay, what it will be? A, no, not like this. This formula will be a plus b, a square plus b square plus ab, or we'll use here is minus ab. Okay, and for a cube minus b cube, a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, these are the important identities which we will try to use them in numericals now. I hope now it is clear. So now we'll move to the next one, that is the 12th. I think now we have sufficient identities for the for class 9th, which will be able to use in numericals. Okay, so these are the identities. We must know that a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, a square minus b square, x plus a into x plus b, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube, a plus b plus c whole square, and all these. Okay, so today we have learned about 3 new identities. Okay, these are the 3 new identities. Okay, so now we'll move to the numericals and try to see how these numericals can be solved. Okay, now let us see one by one. We'll try to solve. Okay, now we'll move to the numericals. So I have few numericals I have. Let us see first. Now they're asking to factorize using identity. First question is x plus 4 x plus 10. Okay, see, in this we'll use the identity, that is x plus a and x plus b. What's that identity? First, the rule says we must write the identity which I am using, then try to solve that numerical. Because the identities are for why they are. They make the numerical very easily solved. Okay, very easy we can solve. Now see, its identity is this. So now we will apply here. We have a is 4, b is 10. So we will see x square plus 4 plus 10x plus 4 into 10. So we'll write x square plus 14x plus 40. Okay, so this is how we use the identity. Similarly, let us see for the second one now. Now the second one they are saying, that is x plus 8 x plus 8 x minus 10, x plus 8 and x minus 10. Same identity here I am using it, but how? See, x square plus 8 minus 10 x plus 8 into minus 10, because here b is in negative form, no? So we'll use this 2x minus 80. Okay, see how the negative sign impacts us. Okay, so that is how. Now the third one, Third case. Now the third, they are saying how to solve it out. Third is the question is 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. Okay, here we will use different identity. Now the different identity is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, a square minus b square, 9 minus 4x square. Very simple. I have just applied the identity, that is a plus b into a minus b, which we say is a square minus b square. Okay, so that is how we can apply. Now we'll move to the second question. So second question is, you need to evaluate, find a value. We are saying 103 into 107. And how to do it? Here I can get 103 100 plus 3 and 107 100 plus 7. Okay, so now you can see the identity becomes x plus a into x plus b. So now we'll use that x plus a into x plus b. What's that identity is? First we need to write the identity, that is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay, so that is how we can easily apply. Now we'll sort it out. The next one, second numerical. Now the second numerical I have similar, 95 into 96. We need to evaluate. So how we'll evaluate? That is 95. That is, we can write 100 minus 95 and 100 minus 96. Okay, or else we can write more. Okay, what we can write here, instead of writing, let us solve the previous numerical. I've just written the identity. Okay, now try to solve it out. X plus a into x plus b, that is 100 square plus 3 plus 7x plus 3 into 7. So I got my answer, that is 10,000 plus 10x plus 21. Okay, so right, we can solve like this. Now similarly, the second one, now they want to evaluate 95 into 96. Okay, how we can write this? If I can write like this also. The same identity is now we need to apply, that is x plus a into x plus b. So 90 into 90, that is 90 square plus 5 plus 6 x plus 5 into 6. Now 9 into 9, 81, 100 plus 11x plus 30. Okay, so that is how we can apply the identity, that is x plus a, x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. So that is how we can apply the identity. Okay, now let us move to the third question. Here we have solved two questions. First, to evaluate. This question is for evaluate or find, we can say. Okay, evaluate using the identity, and here it is I have factorized. So two questions we have done. Now let us move to the third question. What the third question says, let us see. Now the third numerical. Now the third numerical I have, that is Third one is we need to use the identities, factorize it. Okay. Now they are saying they have given first one x square minus y square upon 100. So I can write it a square minus b square. So I will get x minus y into x plus y. Okay, x minus y into x plus y. Okay, so that is how we can easily solve the numerical using the identity, that is a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so this is what they have given. Now the second one, let us try to solve 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Very simple, we need to apply the identity here. Okay, so I can write here 2y whole square. Here I have used the identity a minus b whole square. Here a is 2y and b is 1. So a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, that is the identity a minus b whole square. So likewise we can solve such kind of numericals. Now if I go for fourth numerical now. Okay, now the fourth numerical is to expand. Okay, we need to expand. What they are asking about is the first part, that is x plus 2y plus 4z. Okay, and the second they are asking about x 2x minus y plus z whole square. So how we will solve? Let us see how we can easily sort it out. Okay, now let us try to solve them. They are talking about a plus b plus c whole square. So now here I will try to apply the identity. Now the identity is, we all know what is the identity, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, now on this identity I will try to solve two numericals. Okay, now first one we are solving x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus, now next I am solving plus 2 into ab, that is 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into y into z plus 2 into x into z. Okay, so finally I have got x square plus 4y square plus 16z square plus 4xy plus 16yz plus 8xz. Okay, so that is how I able to solve my numerical. Very simple. Now the next one, the next they have given is, that is a plus b plus c whole square. So same identity I am using here, that is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b plus 2 into b into c plus 2 into a into c. Okay, but here is a negative sign, so we need to take care of that also. So now what I will get here, 4x square plus y square plus z square minus 4xy minus 2yz plus 4xz. Okay, due to negative sign we got these two in negative. Okay, so that is how we try to solve the numericals based on the identities. Okay, Let us try to solve more further. We have on based on next identity, because just now we have written so many identities, more than 10. So now all these identities we need to apply in the numerical. Okay. So now let us see. We have solved 4 questions. Now we'll move to the 5th one. Now the 5th numerical is we need to factorize. We need to factorize. So the first one is we have 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root 2xy plus 4 root 2xy plus 4 root 2yz minus 8xz. Okay. So now we will see how we'll able to solve it. You can write 2x square like root 2x square plus y plus 2 root 2 z whole square minus 2. Now we'll see what they have used here. I think okay, now they have given this, so we will try to sort it out. Minus 2 root xy plus 4 root xy. I think there is some mistake is there, no? So now minus 2 root xy, it will be, you can write this. Okay, we'll see if there is any query in the question. So we'll first write minus 2 root 2xy, okay, plus 4 root 2yz. This is not there. Okay, I've written. Okay. So now we will apply the formula. So 2 into, now here x, that means we have z in negative. Okay, so we can write this. They have given like this. Let us mesh what I hope the question is right. Minus 8xz plus 4 root 2yz minus 2 root 2xy. Okay. So now we have here, it means x we have in negative. No? So write 2 into minus root 2x into y. Okay. Then next we have 2 into yz. No? So y into 2 root 2 z. Okay. We have this one I have missed. No? So here instead we'll write first 2 root 2 z whole square. Okay, so that is how, plus 2 into minus root 2x into y plus 2 into y into 2 root z. Now plus 2 into minus 2 minus, here I will write minus root 2x, okay, into 2 root 2 z. Okay, 8 etc. Okay, so that is now I am able to know this identity, that is a plus b plus c whole square, that is a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, so I got this plus z, we have 2 root z whole square. Okay, so the question is like this: 2x square plus y square plus 8z square minus 2 root x. Here minus is given, no? So we need to take care of where the negative sign is, then the identity will be changed according to it. Okay, so that is what they have. Now we'll try to solve the next question. Okay, now we have the identities now. Okay, the identity is about 2x plus 1 whole cube. Okay, so now we have, that is, now we'll use the identity here, the a plus b whole cube. So a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. Okay, so now we'll try to solve this. The identity, I've got 8x cube plus 1 plus 6x 2x plus 1, or further we can solve 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. So I got my answer 8x cube plus 12x square plus 6x plus 1. So here I have used the identity, that is a plus b whole cube. I can write here identity a plus b whole cube means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Okay, so what this is. Okay, and so now let us try to solve more numerical on this. Now we have 2a minus 3b. Next I have, that is 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now here it is in negative sign. So now we will use the identity a minus b whole cube, that is a cube, then we have here in the negative minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Okay, so now we'll try to solve it more. Now we have a minus b whole cube. So we'll solve now a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b and a minus b, 2a minus 3. So now what I got, 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 18ab and 2a minus 3b. Okay, so that is the identity. We can solve it out further. Next step we can multiply this in the here form. So 8a cube minus 27b cube minus 36a square b plus 54ab square. Okay, so this is my answer. So that is how we can easily apply the identity and try to solve it, the numericals. So now let us move to solve the more numericals so that we easily memorize and summarize the identities, because without identity we can't solve such kind of numericals. Okay, so now let us move to the next identity, next question we have. I think we have solved 6 numericals. Now we'll try to solve the 7th numerical. Now the 7th numerical we have, first one, that is 99 whole cube. Here you need to evaluate, and B part is 102 whole cube. Okay, so now let us see how we can easily solve such kind of numerical. We can write 99 as this. See, we can easily multiply 99 into 99 into 99. We can find the answer, but it is time consuming. So these identities are made to reduce the time also and make the numerical very easy. So let us see how. Now 99 whole cube. What I have done is written a minus b whole cube, 100 minus 1 whole cube. So now we'll use the identity, that is a cube minus b cube minus 3 into 100, 3 into a into b and a minus b. Okay, so a minus b. So now we'll do that. 6. Okay, minus 1 minus 300 into 99. Okay, so that is how we can now easily calculate the answer. minus b. Okay, so now 199. So now we can multiply it. No, this is what I got. The value now, just we need to calculate it and we will write the answer here. Okay, so I got the answer 3299. Okay, that is how I can easily solve such kind of numerical. Now let us see the next one, that is 102 whole cube. How I can write this? 100 plus 2 whole cube. Now here I am using a plus b whole cube. So here I will a cube plus b cube plus 3 into a into b into a plus b. Okay. So now 6 minus 8 plus 600 into 102. Okay, so that is, now I got 100 plus 2, so we can now easily sort it out. Okay, so now we'll solve this very easily. I got this 61200. Okay, so now I can easily calculate this value and able to find my answer. Okay, so I got the answer 192. So that is what I got my answer 1061192. So that is how we can easily solve such kind of numerical. So now we'll try to solve more numericals. So let us see the next we need to find, that is factorize. So the question is factorize. Now what to factorize? Let us see. They have given is 27p cube minus 216 minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon 4p. Okay. Now let us see how we can solve this numerical. Six a minus b, 3p minus 1 upon 6. Okay, so now we can see that we have made the formula a cube minus b cube minus 3 into a into b into a minus b. Okay, now if I multiply this, what I will get? The same. Okay, so AB. Okay, I have done this. Now the formula will be 3p minus 1 upon 6 whole cube. So that is what I have got, a minus b whole cube. That is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So that is how we can easily apply the formula for it. Okay, so now I got this a cube minus b cube. So that is what they have asked about the, to factorize such kind of numerical, then we need to sort it out like this. Okay, so now we will move to the next numerical, that is a ninth question. Now we will do, today we will try to solve 10 questions only. So now we have the ninth question. Let us see what they are asking now and let us try to find what it is given. Okay, so let us try to solve the numerical now. So the next question we have, the ninth question we have, so we'll try to solve it out. Now we'll try to sort it out. The next question we have, we need to factorize. They are asking about, that is 27y cube plus 125 z cube. Okay, so now the identity here we need to apply is a cube plus b cube. Till now I have applied the identity a plus b whole cube. Now here I will try to solve sorry, a cube plus b cube. So it will be a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab. So I got this now. Now I have this one, a plus b into 9y square plus 25z square minus 15yz. Okay, so that is how we can easily identify the use the identity. So formula for a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay, so this is what they have given. Now let us try to solve the next one. Okay, so the next one they have given is 64m cube minus 343n cube. We all know 4 cube is 64. So now I can solve the easily way, that is 7n into a square, okay, plus b square plus ab. Okay, so now I can solve it like this. I have, okay, a square plus b square plus into ab. Okay, so likewise we can solve this identity. So finally I know the identity of a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. So the two most important identities we have used here. So the two most important identities I have used. So now we'll try to solve the next question what they are asking. Let us see. Okay, we need to factorize, that is 27x cube plus we have the question y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So now it is we have, so now we try to find 3x whole cube plus y whole cube plus z whole cube minus 3 into ABC. Okay, so now we'll try to see what we can do here. We need to apply the identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to what? A plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Okay, so that is how we can apply the identity here. So now I got my answer, that is 3x plus y plus z. 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3x. So here I have used the identity, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is a cube, that will be, the identity is a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Okay, so that is how we can easily try to solve such kind of numericals. I hope you able to connect with me and we have learned a lot of things today. Thank you.